Yeah. Be blessed. Let's go.
I've been up since the day before, drinking all night. Left a couple empty bottles, now I'm feeling alright. Rolling up, getting throwed, now we feeling dumb nice. Working hard, playing hard, this is what we call life. Now I've been working all week, tonight's the night I don't sleep. Everything is on me, chillin' with my homies. Had a rough day, but I'ma have a smooth night. Drinking kinda heavy till my head feels light. Got an open tab, get whatever you like. Gonna pop bottles until we take flight. Serve 'em up, we knock 'em down. Keep a tight circle, order me around. Only seems right that the king's drinks crown. Pool full of liquor and we all tryna drown. Having a great evening, straight shots got me leaning. I am on the deep end, but I will keep proceeding. Getting thrown till I throw up. Drinks spilled cause we pulled up. Had me about 4 cups. If it's mine, then don't touch. The bar, homie, is price listed. Money straight, so we all twisted. Stay so fly, we all lifted. Presence of mind, we all gifted. I've been up since the day before, drinking all night. Left a couple empty bottles, now I'm feeling alright. Rolling up, getting throwed, now we feeling dumb nice. Working hard, playing hard, this is what we call life. Buying bottles that ain't nothing. Live wire, I stay buzzing. Ace of spades and I ain't bluffing. Look at my system, stay bumping. Empty bottles, we stay dumping. My adrenaline always stay pumping. No, we got that bass thumping. If you feeling good, then say something. My game ain't nothing to play with. Tryna get some cuts since I am faded. Feeling kinda bugged, so I am spray with. Bottles of champagne you can't hang with. Chase money and chase liquor. Got that flame, you cast flicker. Peep that frame, you can't picture. Wife so bad you can't miss her. Tonight's the night I'm getting drunk. Keep that liquor in my cup. If it's empty, fill it up. Won't stop till I get enough. Tell them haters to stop reaching. Tell the DJ to stop preaching. Tell them bumps to stop leeching. Am I feeling kinda odd? Not even. I've been up since the day before, drinking all night. Left a couple empty bottles, now I'm feeling alright. Rolling up, getting throwed, now we feeling dumb nice. Working hard, playing hard, this is what we call life.